Okay, so today we're going to be working with subtraction and borrowing. So as you can see, we have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place labeled. So when we subtract, sometimes there's not enough in the top number to take the bottom number away. So for example, if I had 2 apples, I cannot take 6 apples away from that. There's just not enough. But I do have this whole big number. So I have the number 182 minus 56. Well, I know that 182 is a bigger number than 56. So I know I have enough somewhere in this number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow from my tens place. So my tens place has 8 tens. So I'm going to take one of those tens. So, use a different color to show. Okay, so I'm going to take one of my tens away from my tens place. That will leave me with 7 tens left over. And that 10 that I borrowed, I'm going to give it to my ones place so that I can have enough to take away 6. So, one group of 10, plus 2 ones would be what? 10 plus 2 is 12. So now I have 12 ones. Is 12 ones going to be enough to take away 6? Yes, it is. So going back to our example, if I had 12 apples, I can take 6 away. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. So I solved my ones place, and we always start in the ones place and then go to the tens place and the hundreds place and move forward that way. Okay, so my ones place subtraction is done. So now I'm looking at my tens place, and I'm going to do 7 minus 5. Okay, so I can do that. If I had 7 apples and I wanted to take 5 away, I would have enough that I could do that. So 7 minus 5 is 2. It's a terrible looking 2. 2. Okay, now I have a 1 in my hundreds place, and there's nothing here. There are no hundreds in the number 56. So I'm not taking anything away. So 1 apple, if I don't take any apples away, I still have 1 apple. So the answer is 1. So my whole big number now for my answer is 126. So I have 100, 2 tens, and 6 ones.